What did I find when I climbed Piramagrun mountain? چیم دۆزیەوە کاتێک چووم بۆ شاخەوانی لە چیای پیرەمەگرون. Listen to this true story from my time in Kurdistan. And at the end, we'll focus on some important vocabulary that can help you as an English student. Ba dast pê bikەین, let's get started. In 2007, I was a university student, and I decided to leave university in America for 1 year to get some work experience in Kurdistan. In the springtime, I was invited by some friends to climb Piramagrun mountain, a mountain which is close to Slemani. It was a beautiful day, and the mountain slopes were covered with green grass and with beautiful flowers. As our group of hikers came to the top of a ridge, we found something there that surprised us. We saw an old shepherd wearing Kurdish clothes and sitting by a fire. On the fire, there was a tea kettle. Immediately, the shepherd stood up and he greeted us respectfully. Then he quickly poured chai for us to drink and invited us to sit down and enjoy. Wow, we thought, what amazing hospitality Kurdish people have. Even when they are working on the top of a mountain, we were very thankful for a rest, and we sat down and thanked the shepherd for his hospitality. I remember drinking the chai as I sat on the side of that mountain. I looked down at the Çiay Valley and the beautiful scene in front of me. I knew that this would be a memory that I would carry with me for the rest of my life. Okay, zor basha. Khalagian, did you enjoy this story? Aya am چیرۆکە خۆش بوو بێت بۆ تۆ? If yes, then please subscribe to this channel. بێزەحمەت پەنجە دووکمای subscribe بکە بۆ ئەم کاناڵە. زۆر سپاس خاڵگیان. Now, let's focus on some important vocabulary from this story. The first phrase is work experience. Work experience means time spent gaining skills and experience in a specific kind of work. Work experience manai hea waku azmuni ish yan azmuni kar. This is an important phrase to know when you are applying for jobs. The story said, I decided to leave university for 1 year to get some work experience working in Kurdistan. Work experience. Another good word is hiker. Hiker means shachawan, someone who climbs mountains, like me and my friends in this story. Hiker. And do you know what shepherd means? Shepherd means shwan, someone who takes care of animals like sheep and goats. Shepherd. In the story, we were amazed at the shepherd's hospitality. Hospitality means miwandari, the skill of taking care of guests. Hospitality. Lastly, in the story, I looked down at the Çiay Valley and the beautiful scene in front of me. What does beautiful scene mean? It means dimaniki juan, a very nice view of nature. Beautiful scene. I hope that these 5 vocab words from this story are helpful for you. Try to practice them today. Until tomorrow, hatasbene, khwahafiz.